How to open a Charles Schwab account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video, I will simply guide you on how you can actually open up a Charles Schwab account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Well, in order to actually open up a Charles Schwab account, all you have to do is first of all download the Schwab mobile application from your App Store or your Play Store. Then once you've downloaded the respective application, I'm going to open it up. By default, whenever you actually open the app, it's going to give you a little pop-up that welcome to Schwab, we're invested in you. And then it's going to ask you to open up an account, right? So if you don't have an account, we are going to just tap on the open an account green button over here. Now select what type of account, whether you want to open up a brokerage account, a retirement account, automated investing account, checkings account, custodial account, small business, estate planning, or independent advisor solutions. So in this case, let's say I want to open up a brokerage account. I'm just going to tap on brokerage here, and it will give me some of the definitions as to what this account really means depending upon the type of account that it shows. Scroll down, and then here you'll find individual brokerage or joint brokerage account or such kind of issues like that. Depending upon the type of accounts that you want to create, just select the individual ones over here. In this case, I'm only selecting individual, but you can select any of the other ones as you prefer. Then once I click on that button, it is going to ask you to fill in some of the forms that are actually available. So we're going to wait, and then here it'll ask you, do you have a login ID and password? So we're going to select no, I'm totally new to Schwab, right? If you do have, then you can select yes, you have a login ID and password, because that process is also mandatory. Then after that, it's going to ask me to provide my personal information, which would be the first name, the middle name, the last name. The suffix is really optional. Then you have to enter the email address. Your social security number is very important, because if you don't have that, then obviously you will not be able to go ahead and then respectively fill out this form. Then after that, you want to make sure to enter your legal date of birth. I'm saying legal date of birth because if it asks you for any type of documentations and verifications later on, you'll have a hard time if the birthday over here versus the age and the birthday in your citizenship or your national identity card does not really match. So I'm asking you to simply enter your legal date of birth. Then just click on the next option. When you click on the next option, if you're having any issues, you can directly call this number, or if you don't have any issues, then you'll be able to fill out all of the form respectively and directly create your Charles Schwab brokerage, checkings, or any of the other accounts that you might want to create. So hope this video helped you. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, queries, or doubts, feel free to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you in the next video.